Hey everyone, welcome to the Pure AI channel, where we educate, recommend income strategies, create, develop, and automate with AI for the average person, as well as uncovering breaking news throughout the entire AI industry. Today we're diving into a walkthrough of a tool I've created for you all to generate prompts tailored to the top large language models such as ChatGPT, MidJourney, and DALL-E. Get ready to unlock the full potential of AI with us. Before we begin, let's answer a fundamental question. What is a prompt? In the world of AI, a prompt is a text input given to an AI model to generate a desired response or output. Think of it as giving instructions to a highly skilled assistant. The clearer and more specific your instructions, the better the assistant can perform. Whether you're asking for an essay, a piece of art, or complex code, how you frame the prompt makes all the difference. Now you might wonder, why is this valuable and useful to me? The answer is simple but powerful. Mastering prompt engineering allows you to enhance your creativity, which then allows you to unlock new levels of generations tailored to your unique art, writing, ideas, and so much more. Saves time by automating tasks such as generating content quickly, which then frees up your time for other activities. As a matter of fact, I created this entire YouTube script with the use of ChatGPT and AI. Problem solving, which allows you to prompt the AI to brainstorm solutions to complex problems or provide educational assistance. Income opportunities, which allows you to develop new products, services, business strategies that can be monetized. And save money, which allows you to never have to purchase a prompt that is useless or unfunctional for marketplaces such as PromptBase, PromptGoGo, or any other marketplace for that matter. This tool allows you to become your own prompt engineer while learning in the process. Let's break down how to use the prompt engineering tool for each LLM. ChatGPT. This LLM excels in generating text-based responses or outputs. Whether you need a blog post, coding help, or a language tutor, the key is to be specific. For example, we're going to create a prompt that generates a blog post about the benefits of meditation for busy professionals. Now, let's paste it. See the output they give us. It generated something very detailed, very lengthy. Now we're going to copy this prompt and see how it actually works in a new chat. Be mindful, these prompts that are generated can be edited to your liking or discretion. I do know that a lot of you guys have different specifications that you would like to include into the prompt. So my advice is to actually read over it and add or remove as you may please. And just like that, we get a very, very detailed output tailored to our blog post for meditation for busy professionals. Now, we're going to move on to the second LLM, which is MidJourney. This LLM is your go-to tool for visual creativity and imagery. When requesting images, describe not just what you want to see, but what you want it to feel. For example, we're going to create a MidJourney prompt that generates a digital painting of a futuristic city at dusk, emphasizing the contrast between nature and technology. Let's go back to our notepad. We'll head to Discord. Just paste the prompt and let's see what we get. MidJourney takes its time, but we got a detailed imagery of what we've asked for. You can choose each picture. You can either upscale it or just leave it as it is. It's up to you. And like I said, you could always edit these prompts that are delivered to you. So this is actually great. Now we're going to move on to DALL-E 3. 3 brings your imagination to life through detailed images. The more descriptive your prompt, the better the outcome. For instance, we're going to create a DALL-E 3 prompt that generates a cozy Victorian-style study room with a fireplace and a cat sleeping on a velvet armchair. Let's copy this, paste it into our GPT, and let's see what we get. Let's copy this. We're going to go to a new chat and see the output that we get. And just like that, a Victorian-style study room with a cat by our fireplace, just as we instructed. Now, as for MidJourney, let's try using this prompt engineering expert to get better with creating our prompts for this LLM. Let's see what we get. Wow, see, this was way better than what I inputted. This is way more detailed, has a lot more aspects to it, as well as the feel and imagery that you want to see. Wow, This enhances way more on the nature and technology aspect that we've asked for from before. Has way more greenery, some water, and it's now. I love to hear from you all in the comments on if you want an in-depth overview of prompting as well as tips and tricks. Try out our Prompt Engineering Expert GPT in the link below and share your creation in the comments below. Your feedback is not only helpful to the channel, but also shaping your future in the AI industry. Before we go, I would like you all to know that mastering prompt engineering is like unlocking a new level of partnership with AI. The possibilities are truly limitless. Remember, the strength of your prompts directly influences the quality of your AI-generated outputs. So keep practicing and experimenting. Thank you for joining me in this exciting journey into the world of AI and prompt engineering. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Pure AI for more insights, tips, and tricks. Until next time, keep learning, innovating, and creating.